Hi everyone. I was writing out the instructions for the Dedoose assignment and looking for some good videos online to show how to do it. I just couldn't find videos that were quite as clear as the ones that we had for the SPSS assignment, so I'm making my own. Here we go. When you get to the Dedoose homepage that looks just like this, right here, you will need to, yours will be blank, it won't have these chart pie graphs, it won't be filled in. You will need to go to projects over here on the right and create a new project. To create a new project, you give it a name up here in this box. You can, I don't fill these in and it still works, but right there, give it a title and go down here and hit create project. Then you'll have a new project. Once your project is in, you can just load it. I'm gonna load walkthrough for class, and then poof, it comes back to this home page. So here's how you do the setup. First, you need to put in the information about your participants. And the place that you do that is here under descriptors. Descriptors in Dedoose are your participants. So a descriptor is a participant. We give, for this, I'm giving them numbers. This is your descriptor page. And over here where it says descriptor sets, you're going to have one set of descriptors, and that's the data that we have that we took from the survey about why we want to be OTs. So here is my descriptor set right here, why we are OTs. There are 4 fields, and so far I have 6 descriptors that I've entered. So I've entered numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and over here, and 4 fields. That's just an introduction. I'm going to show you how to do all that. First, go to your descriptor sets, then all you do is give it a title. So you click, let's see, this was for the failed one video. Okay, you click plus, it says add a new set. You just type in whatever you want to call it and click submit, and that's all you do in this box. So I have why we are OTs. Keep that highlighted and then go down to set fields. Then you're going to set the fields that you're measuring for this descriptor set. Gonna hit, let's see, how did I do this? I know how I did it. So you're going to create the field options. So for age, what I did here was I put age. Oops. And then down here, you add an option. So we had 4 options. We had 24 and under. And then I'll click add, and that lists that as one of our options. Then we had 25 to 28, add, and 29 and up, add. And once I have all my options in there under age, you just click submit, and it creates a field. So since I've already done that, we're going to pretend I hit submit. It creates age. Then you do the same thing for sex. You put it in. You say this one's going to be called sex or gender. Under option list, we're going to say female, add, male, add, and then submit. Areas of practice, same thing. We're going to put in, our options are pediatrics, mental health, and physical disabilities. And then for the participant number, I said participant number under title, and then add option. I just said 1, add, 2, add, 3, add, 4, add, 5, add. So you'll need to do a minimum of 16 for this assignment. So all 64 of you filled out the survey, but it would take a long time to put in 64 people, so just do 16. We'll talk a little bit more about how to choose which 16 later. Okay, so we have descriptor sets, 1 set, 4 fields. Here are 4 fields. Now we need to get some descriptors in our set. So we go over here to put descriptors in set. Each of these columns shows up because I have it clicked over here. So if I take some of these out, like memos, that's the only one I want to take out. Memos is something we could add, and then, oh, it's not even on the screen. Oh, here it is. Right now there are no memos linked, but you can link memos to the different participants. So I'll leave it there for now. But just so you know, as you unclick things here, they disappear from over here. So make sure that they are checked in this column, and then it'll show up over here. And these are the filters that we're using. We're using age, sex, gender, area of practice, and participant number. And you don't do anything with that. So over here, you need to add a participant. We're going to add participant number 7. We're going to go add new descriptor, and this box comes up. So this is where you need to have your, ta-da! Sorry, it's confusing. This is an Excel file of all of the data from the survey. I'm going to share this with you on Adverum, so you'll have this. Then you will go to the number that you want. I want number 7, and number 7, I'm going to take this information from number 7 and put it in. You have to transfer it all in. So number 7 is female, 25 to 28, interested in pediatrics. And I just pick those, participant number 7, submit. So now I've added my descriptor. I have this new person here, but the actual comment that this participant made is not linked. So that's why this is 0 and is red. All these others, the comments have been linked. So we need to go and link the comments. We have to do that in media. So up here at the top, go to media, click on media, and I've uploaded 6. So now I need to add new media. So over here in the right-hand corner, add import data. Now, mine, for some reason, is not letting me import text and spreadsheets, but it will let me do create a blank document. So I'm doing that. This is a female, age 25 to 28, interested in pediatrics, just in case, just so I can track. I want to keep track of my people, so my title is my participant number, because I want to be able to know in more than one way to make sure that my participant that I've numbered 7 is connected to the comment that I've also numbered 7. So I'm numbering this comment 7. I'm going to number 7. I'm going to copy and then paste, and then submit. When I submit that, it shows me this box. Great. So I go to descriptors. I click on the red 0, and it shows me all my media. Here's my linked media, it says right there. That's what's linked. And I want to link the current media number 7 that I just put here. So I go and click link. Voila, number 7 media is linked. And then I close this box. It all saves automatically, so that's nice. And now I have a 7th person in here with their comment linked. I'm going to show you this one more time, and then you can just watch this video over and over again until you get it. So we're going to put in a new descriptor. Here we are on the descriptor page. We're going to add. We're going to go to number 8 and find out what do we have about number 8. Female, 24 and under, pediatrics. And participant number 8. Submit. And down here. All right, boom. Oh no, red box. So we go to media. I gotta add media, link some more media here, add or import some data. I'm gonna create a blank document, number 8, female, 24 and under, pediatrics. Then, that's not even really necessary. I just do it because I'm afraid that I'm going to mix up my people and I want to be able to double check. And then paste that in, hit submit. Get this funny page, go back to descriptors, red box. Click on the red box, go up here to link, click link, voila. So that is that for getting all the information in. Also, one thing, you will then repeat that until you have all of your data in this table. You can always click on home, and it has some nice information. It tells you how many different clips of media data that you have, so there should be one for every participant that you have listed. How many descriptors? Those are your participants. Same number of media added. Down here it tells you, okay, what do we have so far in terms of our demographics? We have a majority of 25 to 28 and some 24 and under, but we don't have any in the 29 and over category yet. They're mostly female so far. We have separate fields for each participant, and then we have a vast majority wanting to do pediatrics, at least in this small sample right here. So we'll see how that comes out as we put more of them in. All right, so that's it for how to go back and forth between descriptors and media and link the two. The end.